Speaking English takes our personality to a whole new level, and because of this, we want to learn how we can make ourselves better in English. However, there is one thing that really holds us back when we are trying to speak in English, and that single thing is our vocabulary. A person who has a better vocabulary will have a better chance of communicating well with someone else. So, how you can improve your English vocabulary? In this video, I'm going to give you 5 tips that will help you to make your English vocabulary better. Let's get started. The question is how to expand your English vocabulary. It is really important that you improve your vocabulary from day one if you want to become fluent in English. How could you do that? Well, there are many ways that you can improve your English vocabulary. Traditional way of expanding your English vocabulary has to be by reading dictionary and books and all that. But there is also other ways you can do that. And in this video, we are going to see all of them. You have to read books and listen to English conversations. I will make a video by recommending 5 books that you should read as a beginner who is trying to improve his reading skills. Why it is important to read books and listen to English conversations. It will help you to get better at choosing the right word at the right time. You will come across tons of words that you won't even heard of. So if that is the case, then that reading will be really helpful for you. Now, you can also try to incorporate these words into your daily life while speaking with someone else. That will really help you, but before that you should go through and know the meaning of these words. Also, you have to choose the books and English speakers quite carefully, because if you choose the wrong books and an English speaker who doesn't speak fluently or somebody who lacks depth or eloquency, then that will be a problem, because you will not be able to imitate that person or become someone like that person. One speaker that I would highly recommend, and I also follow that person, is Shashi Tharoor. Once you start doing these things, you'll see an amazing change in your English speaking. The second point that I would want to talk about in this video is find synonyms of the words you use frequently. There are so many words that you use in your day-to-day conversations that are actually in English. But what we do, we are so used to in using those words in our regional languages that we think that they are a part of our regional language. But the truth is, those are English words, and you have to find out those words that you generally use, which is like your catchphrase in many ways, and try to learn the synonyms of those words and use it in a different way in your daily conversation. Once you know the synonyms, it is time to replace the word with its synonyms. Why do you have to replace the word? Because unless you use it in your daily life, that word will not get stuck in your head, and until it is stuck on your head or you memorize it properly, you will not be able to use it while having a conversation. Figure out the words that you use, and after that use the synonyms of those words instead of the main word that is your catchphrase. Observe your daily life and find out the words you don't know. In our daily life, we get into a lot of situations where we don't know the exact meaning or the English meaning of the word. In your regional language, the yawning has a different word. Also, sneezing has a different word. These are sort of daily life words that people generally don't use in English. There might be a situation where you have to use a particular word, but you don't know it. You might have to describe a particular situation, but you don't know the word of the situation. What will you do? So observing daily life is one of the primary things that you can do if you want to improve your English vocabulary. Now, if you can't find the meaning of the word, just message me on Instagram, on my Instagram account. You can follow me at the rate writer Shubhajit. I will tell you the meaning of this word. Note the English words you hear or see, but you don't know the meaning in your daily life. You should always keep a notebook or use a mobile app. Only storing in the app or writing it down in your notebook will not help you. You have to find out meaning of those words. Comment below the words you heard today that you don't know the meaning. It will be interesting to see how many unknown English words you have heard today. So now it's time for a bonus tip. Till now I have given you 4 tips that you can use to expand your English vocabulary. So let's see. Here is a Mythbuster. Whenever you are trying to learn a new language, specifically English, you will hear people saying that you have to memorize a dictionary to improve your vocabulary, but that is not the case. If you can memorize a dictionary or read a dictionary at the end of the day, congratulations, go ahead and do it. But if you are like me, who hates reading dictionary, then you don't need to do that, because I don't prefer dictionary much. I generally use dictionary at times that I am absolutely gobsmacked with a word. However, I am still expanding my English vocabulary every day by observing new English words that I can use while writing and speaking. And now, you don't have to buy a dictionary. There are many sites that offers a dictionary. There is one red flag that I will give you here. Never use a dictionary that translates words into your regional language. So always use a dictionary that will explain the words in simple English to you and not in your native tongue. That is why I generally prefer Google Dictionary, because they generally help me to understand the meanings quite simply. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you for watching till the end. Comment below if you need any help in finding English words or want to know the meaning of certain English words. Also like, share and subscribe to this channel to encourage and push me in making more and more this kind of videos. So till then, goodbye and take care.